Pigeons are one of the most misunderstood animals on Earth, dismissed as dirty city birds, when they've actually been heroes for centuries. Long before text messages and satellites, carrier pigeons delivered life-saving information across war zones, storms, and impossible distances. Even today, in a few remote places, trained pigeons have been used to help transport small medical supplies like blood samples or urgent medications where roads are unsafe or access is limited. They don't just survive in human spaces, they've evolved alongside us. And now, pigeons are also beloved pets, affectionate, intelligent, and capable of recognizing faces and routines like a cat or dog. Unknown fact, pigeons can remember human faces for years and will avoid people who've been unkind to them.